Ito pala ang tinatawag na pickleball.
Because they will be having good news for our for everyone. So Ma'am Normet, siguro start na lang.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for coming. And yeah, today we would like to announce that Boracay Island will be hosting the very first World Pickleball Championship series. It's going to be level 2, tier 2, and it will be on the 24th of April until the 27th of April.
My name is Edberg El Mananis. Edberg, call me Edberg.
My name is Jesse Rosales from Boracay Pickleball Island Club.
I'm Brian Moran from USA, and I've been living here for 2.5 years.
I'm Normeth Pregluparts Hoover. I'm the co-organizer of WPC Boracay, and these are our top players of the Pickleball Club Boracay.
Hi, good afternoon to everybody. I'm Anna Ruaro, and I'm a member of the Boracay Island Pickleball Club.
Good afternoon. I am Marlon Lau. I'm the proprietor of this sports center. It's called Habagat Sports Center. And we have courts available for beach tennis games and now pickleball. We have one court for pickleball now. And we're building another court that will make 2 courts for pickleball in 2 weeks' time. Yeah, it will be available for pickleball enthusiasts. Thank you.
Yes, good afternoon, everyone. I am Jerome Barrientos, just a pickleball enthusiast.
Hi, my name is Ina Palyarca, and I'm a member of Boracay Island Pickleball Club.
What are we going to expect in this competition?
Okay. There will be a 24, 25, 26, 27, a 4-day event. We are expecting over 300 players and plus spectators, of course, all over the country and also outside the Philippines, since we opened it the last week for World Pickleball Championship. What else? We're gonna have parties, of course, Boracay.
All right, what is pickleball? So for us, pickleball is a new, it's an upcoming sport, but pickleball has been around for more than 50 years. It was invented in 1965 in the United States of America. Not by Brian. And it's a combination of other racket sports. So it's a combination of course, tennis, table tennis, and maybe badminton because the same size of the court. It is played as either a singles match, so one-on-one, or doubles, 2 versus 2. So it's a racket sport. It uses a paddle and a plastic ball. So it's called a wiffle ball. I'm sure you want to ask me, bakit siya pickleball? Diba? So it's called pickleball because 2 stories are that it started as something based on a pickle boat na parang sama-sama yan eh. It's a concept sa States, sa boating. And the other one, the more common reason is the person who invented pickleball named it after their dog named Pickles. Okay, so brief history. In our country, it's been around for the past few years, even before the pandemic. Nagsa-start na po yung pickleball sa atin. But it only started being more popular last year in Boracay when the group started coming together and we started playing. And then now, we're thankful that we now have this event and we hope to bring it to more people as it's already come to Kalibo, because we now have a facility to play at here. So we've been coming to Kalibo from Boracay, because we want to see the new facilities and to meet more people and to encourage more people to join the pickleball community here.
So it's the first 1 to 15 wins, and you must be serving the score, and you get 2 side outs on each side. So it's pretty much the basics, and you have to win by 2. So. Anything else? Yeah.
So the games are, so again, singles or doubles, and then we score, and the first to get to either, as Brian said, 15, but we can also go 1 game to 11 points, or to 15 points, and then with a difference between 2. So it sounds familiar. If you play other sports like badminton, or if you play tennis, so, what, no, tennis kasi 15, 30, 40, yeah, more volleyball, also side out. Side out points. So when you serve, you earn a point, and then you go up to 11 or 15. So depending on the score system for that game. Ages.
Ages, as long as the person or from at the very young age, like makakatakbo na siya, if he can swing the racket or the paddle, it can be played from, I think it could be like 6 years old up to what age, as long as you can.
So you're awake, coach?
Categories is we have like novice, we have intermediate, and often doubles tournament and mix, and also 50 plus executive. That's the category of the tournament.
Let me add to that. So the categories are also, so grouping. So diba sabi ko, doubles, 2. So pwedeng women's doubles, then may men's doubles, and then there's mixed doubles. So you have one guy and a girl playing together.
The difference between table tennis and pickleball, the rules. I mean, you can do volley. Volley means the ball doesn't have to bounce. That's the same like the pickleball. The difference is actually bigger court. Yeah, I mean, his question is the difference between table tennis and pickleball. The rules. The difference. Table tennis or lawn tennis? Ping pong? Or are we talking about lawn tennis? Or you?
Beach tennis.
The rules of the first of all, the scoring system is different. The beach tennis, you don't bounce the ball, and the pickleball, you can bounce or you can volley.
Add to that question, the pickleball is kind of a mix ruling, like rule of a ping pong or the table tennis. We have the rule of the badminton, the rule of the lawn tennis. One rule that resemblance to the ping pong or the table tennis is the bouncing rule. We have the two, let's say, once you serve the ball, it should be bounced to the other court, and that will be bounced again to the next court. So ganun ang rule natin sa pickleball. Yes, and the other rule in scoring is we have side outs, same as the volleyball. Actually, it's hard to explain the rules because the pickleball is like a mixing of a paddle or a racket sports. Kasi yung pickleball nga, it is a mixing of ping pong, badminton, and tennis. So kung iisa-isahin namin ang rule, it going to be long story. So, but maybe Doc Ana can explain a resemblance of the rule of badminton, table tennis, and lawn tennis to pickleball.
Now, actually, as Sir said, it's long. It will take a while to explain everything. But what I'd like to do now is invite you guys to stick around later, and then maybe we can all play pickleball. We can help you learn more about the game, which is what we want naman for this, for the sport. We want to encourage more people to play. So I think that would be great, di ba, sir? If you stick around later, one-on-one tayo. Yeah. Oh, di ba? Nag-table tennis ka, no? Hindi rin. Table tennis lang tayo. Oh, turuan rin kita. Okay. Next question, sir.
Actually, nag-umpisa kami few days before nagkaroon na tayo ng first Mayor's Cup last July 2024. So, nag-blessing kami to June 30. No? So, 2024 pa kami existing. Kaya lang, dinevelop pa yung facility. Now, itong beach tennis, we started noong July. And then, December na itong pickleball court na tapos. And then, itong second one, April. So, more or less malapit na. Magwa 1 year na ang beach tennis dito sa Kalibo.
So since then, sir, marami na kayong mga young na
Marami na. It's a growing community ng players, regular players. We have a range of players coming from different walks of life. May estudyante, may doctors, yung background nila, yung iba galing sa volleyball, yung iba galing sa badminton, tennis players, or walang sport at all. Kasi talking about beach tennis, madali lang siyang to learn. Of course, to learn how to play, or after an hour, pwede na kayong maglaro. And we have trainers here, first-timers. Once you come in, merong konting introduction sa sport, kung how to hold the racket, yung how to play it ba, yung balikan ng bola, even serving. So you will be taught that pagdating mo. So ang intention namin is yun nga, ma-spread also ang sport ng beach tennis as well as pickleball. Sa pickleball, we have Sir Paul Wensalido who does that na sa mga bago. He takes on the role of a trainer. So both sport pwede po nating matutunan once you come in. Medyo tago kasi itong lugar nito dahil not everyone knows this side of Bougainvillea Road. This is Bougainvillea Road. We are in Andagaw. So we are coming from Martilino, just Martilino, turn left tayo para makarating dito pabalik sa Ilang-Ilang Road. So maraming ang masyadong hindi pa familiar. So hopefully in the coming days, as people get to know and be interested in beach tennis and pickleball, maging familiar na rin po tayo sa lugar na ito. Thank you. It is not. Well, it is the proper court for pickleball. Yung iba kasi once ahead of yung before they play sa tennis courts, they just put up lines sa tennis court, so sharing yung court, no? Pwede kang maglaro ng tennis as well as pickleball. Kasi dinadagdagan lang yung linya. And then, even sa basketball courts, they also just add lines for the pickleball. So, people can play pickleball indoors. Dito sa Kalibo, ang pagkakaalam ko, yung sa Capital Tennis courts, meron tayo. And alam ko rin si Coach Boy meron siya sarili sa New Washington.
I wonder, sir, if that paddle is very heavy.
Very light, siguro mga 300 grams, ganon. 8 ounces. 8 ounces. That's some... Sige. Meron tayong court fee. Magkaiba po. Meron tayong court fees. Very affordable naman. Yeah, we are more affordable than Boracay, definitely. So, kaya po, and then our business hours, we can set appointments sa umaga para kasi dahil open court tayo, pagdating ng tanghali mainit na. So, from 7 to 10, and then later on from 3 up to 10 o'clock or 11 in the evening. Meron tayong lights sa gabi. So, currently sa nangyayari, mostly tumadating yung players from 4 or 5 hanggang 10 o'clock. Pag weekends, hanggang 11. Mga bisita natin from Boracay hanggang alas 12 sila kagabi. So okay lang, we're flexible tungkol dyan.
Well, bakit Boracay? Kasi Boracay is very well known, 'di ba? At saka napakaganda niya. So the WPC, the World Pickleball Championship founders, they're looking for specific locations na not only players can go just to play, but also beautiful locations. Because nagiging trend yung pickleball na para siyang naging holiday trend. Parang pupunta ako sa isang beach, pupunta ako sa Thailand, pupunta ako sa Vietnam, pupunta ako sa America, or pupunta ako sa Europe. Ngayon, parang ang nangyayari, parang pupunta ako sa court ng Vietnam, sa pickleball court ng SM Manila, o sa pickleball court Libo or Boracay. Parang nagiging, sport tourism, exactly. Yeah. We were thinking really about to do some clinics, but most probably after the competitions, because we're a little bit like, we started planning the tournament like about 8 weeks ago, and it was supposed to be just of the Love Boracay event, which is a series of sports event from beach volleyball, beach tennis, dragon boat, even beach basketball is something new. It was supposed to be just a part of the Love Boracay, but then the founders of the WPC contacted us and it became a huge tournament. So we would probably do a clinic after the tournament. Yeah. This is the idea to start a small event. I mean, it's a level 2 event. The highest event is called Tier 5. We're doing the Tier 2, which is a national and international event. Tier 3 is kind of an intercontinental, which probably we will do next. But this is like a trial event for the WPC and hopefully for the bigger one.
Groups. Kasi in every category that the tournament will do is, there are 16 per category. 16 pairs, 16 teams or 16 pairs per category. So we have How many categories do we have? Per 300 to 320 people are participants. Kasi we have categories like in the doubles we have three. We have double men, doubles men, mixed men, and doubles women. So per category, there bali tatlo. So we're expecting like 312 participants.
So 4 categories, 10 divisions.
Yes.
We're hoping is gonna be one of our, star and the star of all season.
In-encourage ko na lang kayo na maglaro ng pickle kasi sobrang nakaka-enjoy. Ganun. Just like lawn tennis. Pero mas nagustuhan ko yung pickle. Kaya lumipat na lang ako ng pickleball. Yan. Yun lang. Next.
Same din yung sagot ko kasi pickleball is a growing sport, especially sa US. Nasa 19.8 million na naglaro ng pickleball. So, this is a worldwide sport na very fast-growing sports. So, one day, hope na everybody will join this kind of sports because it's very, very easy to learn. But there's opportunity in this sport, especially if you're participating in the tournament. Kung yung mga anak ninyo maliit pa lang, it is na ninyo na mag-pickleball because this sports is more and more coming to come this in the future.
Yeah, I guess I could say anyone who's ever played a racket sport like tennis. I've been playing tennis for a few years. Most of us have a tennis background. I think 80% of the pros have a tennis background. So if you ever played ping pong, tennis, badminton, or anything, it should come fairly easy. We've only been playing 6 months, and I mean we do play 5-6 days a week, but you learn very fast, very fast.
Yeah, please watch the Boracay pickleball tournament, the WPC series. And also, join us for training. We usually play daily at the City Mall, at the Macy Pickleball Court. Follow us on our social media. It's called Boracay Island Pickleball Club.
Okay, so I'd like to invite everybody to learn more about pickleball, start playing pickleball, and join our pickleball community. It's a fun way to improve your health, to meet people, and if you come to Boracay, you get to enjoy the island more. Okay.
So, as fellow Aklanon, I'm asking for your support for La Boracay pickleball tournament. So we need, Boracay needs all the help it can get right now. So tulungan natin to spread the word for our friends outside, or maybe we know people who play pickleball outside of Aklan. Tell them that our facilities meron na sa Boracay. No? You have 2 courts now in Boracay. Wala pang beach pickleball, maybe soon. At sa amin naman, I'd like also to invite fellow Aklanons nga we already have this facility here available. So, especially to our students, I know parang there are news na kasama na ang pickleball soon sa DepEd Sports. That's why we're really striving to push for 2 courts para maski paalin may facility, kita iyang we can start early our kids can start learning this game, pickleball, so that we can be competitive, no, for Aklan in the Western Visayas and even the country. So by next month, dalawa na yung pickleball courts natin. Now summer, sabi nga some tennis players lumilipat sa pickleball because they find it more enjoyable, easy to learn. So kids natin dyan, right now you want them to get into sport, try considering pickleball. And also for beach tennis, although it's not there is not a global arena, especially in Asia, na the same as pickleball sa bilis ng acceptance. But it is here. It's very fun to play and easy on for those beginners, no? Kaya again, we are located, nandito na tayo sa Kalibo. The facility is here. It's just a matter of riding at a and getting here. So again, we're in Bougainvillea Road, close to Ilang-Ilang Road, Andagaw. So inviting everyone. Thank you.
This sports is kind of, kinoconsider ko na yung pickleball na ito kasi nga, hindi malaki ang court. So, hindi siya mabilisan na klaseng laro. So, alam mo naman, nagkakaedad na tayo. So, and I really love paddle or racket sports.
The reason why I joined the pickleball club is it's because of the community. So it's fun, it's easy to learn, even if you don't have racket sports background, because of the community, how they help you learn. It makes it more fun. So I would like to invite everyone to join us when you can in Macy's Pickleball Court, like what Ms. Normet said. Few games, few matches, and hopefully we can see you in the tournament next month to watch how to play.